This is how the game works. First, we gotta build a mini version of the tower. And then after that, we each take turns rolling this die. This die tells us what color the pillar we take out. Like if I roll yellow, I have to pull one that's already been used and put it on the top. We keep on doing this until someone makes the tower crash. Twist and wild means that we can choose any pillar we want to use. The winner is the person that doesn't make the pillar crash. So say Miss K makes the tower crash and I win.
Let's build a tower! This is gonna be exciting.
You're gonna make it crash.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
And last one. Oh my gosh.
No. Do you want to start?
Youngest first.
Okay.
Roll it again.
Okay. Green.
Sure, any green one. My turn.
Green. Just in case if I crash on it, it's just tiny right now.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if that's good.
If this falls, it's not fair.
Okay. My turn.
Oh, you made that fall.
Yellow.
Yeah, there's a lot of yellows.
That one's easy. I like that one. Because the yellow is loose.
Oh, I get to choose any one. Oh.
Ooh, twist the wild. The purple one. Oh. Blue. Ooh, this is gonna get crazy.
Green again.
Okay. Where can I go? Hello.
Don't make it fall. Can you make it fall?
Oh!
No. Oh, I got another. Okay.
Twist the wild.
Okay,
What?
okay, let's go with this one.
Okay. Me. Two more. Get another one of those discs.
How high can this go before it falls?
There's only 8 discs. I don't know. Orange.
That's not a roll.
Okay, let's get another disc.
One more. I have to do one more before you add another disc.
Oh.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, I know a good one.
Oh no.
And there. Okay, let's ask a look. Oh.
Okay, I can start standing now.
This kind of makes it better.
Oh yeah, it's my turn.
It's as tall as you.
Hey.
Oh.
Just the wild. I can get one from here actually.
Yeah, I can.
Yes. Let me get the one that you just got. That was way too easy.
Oh yeah?
Ah!
I can play that game too.
Orange.
I think I just almost made it fall.
My turn.
Again?
Again. Yes. Ooh, I don't want to keep on going here. So.
Is this how the Leaning Tower of Pisa was made? It's not leaning yet, but it looks like it's going to.
Yeah, it's. Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, of course you're gonna come this way. You're gonna get that one.
Yeah.
Oh. It's just 2 colors right now. I did not expect that.
You got a hard one now.
Yeah, that is really hard. What should I do?
I'm not telling you. I want you to lose.
Oh yeah.
I already had. Oh no, no. Oh no! It looks like they're all in bad places.
I don't care.
They look very. Each one looks very. Oh, okay. It's too late. You pulled it out.
Yes. You also have to be careful when you're putting it on.
Looks like it was about to.
There's only four more. Green.
Oh, I got one.
That looks like a bad spot, just to be safe.
Okay. The hard part is just pulling it out.
Okay.
If I pull it out wrong, it's gonna fall.
Okay, that is really scary. Two more.
It's only like, oh, look at that.
No. I don't want to go at the bottom. It would just fall.
I mean, I have one idea, but I can't. I'm not gonna tell you.
Give me a clue.
Don't make it fall.
It's just gonna fall on me, which I don't care because I don't really need to. I'm not gonna do that here because this is gonna fall right down.
Up to you. I'm just here to watch it fall.
No. Come on.
I'm
not doing
Make
that.
it fall.
Why? Why do you want me to fall?
Down. Pull one out.
No.
You have to.
It's too scary. Ah. This one?
Just pull it out.
Okay, I think I'm gonna make this fall. I was about to right now.
Then I would pull that out if it was my turn. I would have done that. Not orange. Not orange. Oh yeah.
Yellow.
Oh, okay. Well, I have one idea.
Okay. Oh no.
Yes. Oh yay, another level. Okay, let's.
Yay.
Yeah, oh my.
Now it's almost as tall as me. My turn.
Yeah. Oh, never mind.
I always got the same ones as you.
You know what? I'm gonna get a better one. Bam.
Just a while. I knew that you were gonna pick the orange.
Oh my. Okay.
Orange.
Be careful because if you put it on top, it's gonna lean.
Why?
Just look. Do it. When you just take it out and you put it on top, it's gonna like lean.
Here?
See, it's moving.
I know. I just don't want it to fall.
No.
Yes.
It's this one though. There's not many good choices.
Yeah. This one looks cool.
This is the point where the game starts where the game's gonna end. You're about to pull, it's too late, you can't go back.
I don't know.
Okay, but that pillow looks like it's falling in seconds, so you're either pulling it or not. You touched it.
Quiet! Quiet!
There you go. What? No, that makes no sense.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Yes!
Okay, you know what? Here, my luck's on my side.
Oh, the screen
Wait,
right
no, wrong
here.
side. Luck is on my side.
Yellow.
You know what? If it works for you here, it's gonna work for me here. Yeah, here.
Oh. Wait. That's the berry bomb.
No, wrong side. Well, here's your problem. If you put something in that side, it's gonna fall now.
Really?
It makes sense. It's unbalanced.
Blue.
Yay!
Here. No, I'm not gonna make it fall. It's gonna fall in just a second.
Well, you know.
There's others holding it, so I don't know.
Taller than you.
No, this part.
Yay! Ah!
If I think I got Orange!
Okay.
I'm getting way at this part.
That's not helping.
Yeah, it is helping. Take one!
Sweet.
You're the blue one I got. It's like,
Right, no.
no! Take it! You already got it! I don't know what's happening. Yes! What if we did it? I won! I thought I would
That's
lose.
because you were, I don't know, magic. I like how we were able to build a tower as we took out pieces. So it's not like Jenga, it's just building a Jenga tower as we do it.
Well, this is really fun because I can actually see the person that's actually gonna get hit. Yay!
Yay!
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch it for more videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Yay!